This is Jeff Petro with Kriete Truck Center, Sheboygan. Here we've got a 2019 HINO 155 cab over box truck. This unit has 102,000 miles on it. It's powered by a 210 horsepower HINO J05E engine, and it's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This truck has a 24-inch box on it with a 2500 tuck under lift gate. It has had a full service and inspection, and it's ready to hit the road. Call Jeff at 414-299-0315 to schedule an appointment or for more information on this unit or any truck equipment you're looking for.